This is my go-to tool for real-time car monitoring. Great for resetting engine lights. Why you should choose Fiknonk Car Bluetooth OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Read and clear fault codes. This OBD2 scanner Bluetooth allows you to quickly read diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, from your vehicle's computer. After repairs, it can clear the codes and turn off the check engine light. Real-time vehicle data monitoring. This car code reader displays live data such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, vehicle speed, and fuel system status, helping you monitor your vehicle's health on the go. Stable Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5.1 technology, this wireless scanner ensures a reliable and fast connection to your smartphone or tablet with minimal interference. Easy to use with dedicated app. Simply plug the device into your car's OBD2 port, turn on the ignition, and connect via the free app on your iOS, Android, or Windows device to start diagnostics. Universal compatibility. This compact diagnostic tool works with most cars, trucks, and SUVs manufactured after 1996 that are equipped with a standard OBD2 port, making it a versatile tool for any driver. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.